Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anusha. Today's topic is we are going to learn about air pollution and the agenda, whatever the things we are going to learn in this video. It's overview of air pollution, cause of air pollution, effects of air pollution, and prevention of air pollution. Overview. Air pollution is one of the biggest threats for the environment and affects everyone: humans, animals, crops, cities, forests, aquatic ecosystems. What is air pollution? Air pollution can be defined as an alteration of air quality that can be categorized by measurements of chemical, biological, or physical pollutants in the air. Therefore, air pollution means the undesirable presence of impurities or the abnormal rise in the proportion of some constituents of the atmosphere. It can be classified into two sections: visible and invisible air pollutions. Visible are which are like industrial pollutants, and invisible are which you may not see, but there are so many pollutants in the air. Air pollution causes. Air pollution is caused by the presence in the atmosphere of toxic substances mainly produced by human activities, even though sometimes it can result from natural phenomena such as volcanic eruptions, dust storms, and wild fires also depleting the air quality. Atmosphere anthrophonic anthropogenic air pollution sources are combustion of fossil fuels like coal and oil for electricity and road transport, producing air pollutants like nitrogen and sulfur dioxide, emissions from industries and factories, releasing large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, chemicals, and organic compounds. Agricultural activities due to use of pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizers that emit harmful chemicals. Waste production, mostly because of methane generation in landfills. Effects of air pollution. It is impossible to describe the whole extent of potential and actual damage caused by all forms of air pollution, but here are the main consequences. On the first one is on the environment. Air pollution has a major impact on the process of plant evolution by preventing photosynthesis in many cases, with serious consequences for the purification of the air we breathe. It also contributes to the formation of the acid rain, atmospheric precipitations in the form of rain, frost, snow, or fog, which are released during the combustion of the fossil fuels and transformed by contact with the water stream in the atmosphere. Global warming. On top of that, air pollution is a major contributor to global warming and climate change. In fact, the abundance of carbon dioxide in the air is one of the causes of greenhouse effect. Normally, the presence of greenhouse gases should be beneficial for the planet because they absorb the infrared radiation produced by the surface of the earth. But the excessive concentration of these gases in the atmosphere is the cause of the recent climate change. Third one is on human health. Our continual exposure to air pollutants is responsible for the deterioration of human health. Air pollution is indeed significant risk factor for human health conditions, causing allergies, respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, as well as lung damage. Prevention of air pollution. First one is renewable fuel and clean energy production. The most basic solution for air pollution is to move away from fossil fuels, replacing them with the alternative energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. Second one is energy conservation and efficiency. Producing clean energy is crucial, but equally important is to reduce our consumption of energy by adopting responsible habits and using more efficient devices. Third one is eco-friendly transportation, shifting to electric vehicles and hydrogen vehicles and promoting shared mobility. Carpooling and public transport could reduce air pollution. And the fourth one is green building. From planning to demolition, green building aims to create environmentally responsible, resource efficient structures to reduce their carbon footprint. What are all the pollutants are present in air pollutions? Pollutants. Particulate matter PM. PM is common proxy indicator for air pollution. There is a strong evidence for the negative health impacts associated with the exposure to this pollutant. The major components of PM are sulfates, nitrates, ammonia, sodium chloride, black carbon, mineral dust, and water. Second one is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless toxic gas produced by the incomplete combustion of carbonaceous fuels such as wood, petrol, charcoal, natural gas, and kerosene. Ozone, O3. Ozone at the ground level, not to be confused with the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, is one of the major constituents of photochemical smog, and it is formed through the reaction with the gases in the presence of the sunlight. And the fourth one is nitrogen dioxide, NO2. NO2 is the gas that is commonly released from the combustion of fuels in the transportation of industrial sectors. Last one is sulfur dioxide, SO2. SO2 is a colorless gas with a sharp odor. It is produced from the burning of fossil fuels, coal and oil, and the smelting of mineral ores that contain sulfur. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like.